My research is related to metallic materials. We try to develop metallic materials that have higher or extended lifetime compared to traditional or existing materials. And that includes both simulation and modeling for designing materials that include some empirical models, but also experimentally process the material, produce them, and test them under different harsh conditions, which could be high temperature, mechanical loads, corrosive environment, and so forth. So the focus of our research, besides recycling, of course, that we also have activities, is to make sure that the lifetime of material and component that we use in the industry and society is longer than normal or conventional materials. So my hope is that our research contributes to significantly reducing the carbon footprint for material and component manufacturing and making sure that the material and components we produce, they have very extended lifetime. And by that, we contribute to the goal of Sweden to become a carbon neutral society soon.